Hello, food-loving learners. Welcome back to the Slow English Hub. I am Farzaneh, your friendly teacher. Today, we have a delicious and useful story. We will learn about food, shopping, and cooking. This lesson is about shopping for my favorite meal. This long, simple story is perfect for beginners. Please relax and listen slowly. If you like these lessons, please subscribe to our channel right now. Let's start. Today is Saturday. I have free time. I want to cook my favorite meal. My favorite meal is a simple chicken and rice dish with fresh salad. It is very tasty and healthy. I like this meal because it is easy to make and the flavors are good. First, I need to make a shopping list. I take a small piece of paper. I write down everything I need. I need chicken. I need rice. I also need some vegetables for the salad. I look in my refrigerator. I have some tomatoes, but I need more. I write 1 bag of rice, 2 chicken pieces, 4 red tomatoes. I also need salt and black pepper. I check my list again. Yes, it looks complete. I put on my jacket and take my shopping bag. I walk to the supermarket. It is not far from my house. The store is bright and clean. I take a big shopping cart. The cart is silver. I go to the vegetable section first. I see many colors. I see green lettuce. I need 1 head of lettuce for the salad. I put it in my cart. Next, I look for tomatoes. I need 4 red tomatoes. I check them. They must be firm and fresh. I put the tomatoes in a small plastic bag. I also need 1 yellow onion and some green beans. I put the beans and the onion in the cart. I also buy a sweet red apple. I like to eat an apple after my meal. I move to the next aisle. This is the dairy section. It is cold here. I need milk. I look at the labels. I choose a bottle of fresh milk. I put the milk carefully in the cart. I need cheese for another dish, so I look at the cheese. I buy a small piece of yellow cheese. I also need eggs. I take a carton with 12 eggs. I must be careful with the eggs. Next is the meat section. I need 2 pieces of chicken. The chicken looks pink and good. I ask the butcher
for 2 pieces. The butcher is a friendly man. He gives me the chicken. I put the chicken in a separate bag because I want to keep it cold.
Now I go to the dry goods aisle. This is where I find the rice, salt, and pepper. I need a big bag of white rice. I find the rice on the high shelf. I check the weight. 1 kilogram. Perfect. I also need salt and pepper. I already have some salt at home, but I need more black pepper. I find a small bottle of black pepper. The bottle is black and small. I put it in the cart. I look at my list one more time. Rice, chicken, tomatoes, lettuce, onion, salt, pepper, milk, cheese, eggs. Yes! My list is complete. I am ready to pay. I walk to the checkout counter. The line is short. I put my items on the belt. The cashier is a young woman. She is fast. The cashier asks, "Hello, did you find everything?" I answer, "Yes, thank you. Everything looks great." She scans the items. She says, "The total is $23.50. I give her a big $50 bill. She gives me the change. She says, "Here is your change. Have a nice day." I answer, "You too. Goodbye." I pack all my shopping into my strong cloth bag. I walk out of the supermarket. The bag is a little heavy. I walked home slowly and carefully. I arrive home. I put all the food away. I put the chicken and milk in the refrigerator. I wash the vegetables. Now I start to cook. First, I wash the white rice. I put the rice in a pot with water and salt. The rice needs to cook for 20 minutes. Next, I cut the red tomatoes and the green lettuce for the salad. I mix them in a large bowl. Then I cut the chicken into small pieces. I put the chicken in a hot pan. I add some salt and pepper. I cook the chicken until it is brown and ready. The food smells amazing. Finally, the rice is ready. The chicken is ready. The salad is ready. I put the food on my plate. Everything looks delicious. I sit down at my table. I eat my favorite meal, chicken and rice with fresh salad.
The food is hot and the taste is wonderful. I eat slowly. I feel satisfied and full. Cooking and eating my own food is a very relaxing activity. After I finish eating, I clean my plate and my pots. I wash the dishes immediately. I like a clean kitchen. The kitchen is now clean and quiet. I feel happy because I cooked a good meal and I bought all the food I needed. It was a successful shopping and cooking day. That is my story about shopping for my favorite meal. Thank you for listening so carefully and for staying for this long lesson. We learned many useful words today: rice, chicken, tomatoes, lettuce, supermarket, cashier, and salt. You did an excellent job. You are now better at English. Please follow us and subscribe to Slow English Hub for more helpful and very slow lessons. See you next time, my friends. Goodbye for now.